Hey kids, we want to thank you for coming along and watching Jonathan's Playhouse. Please like and subscribe. And if you were with us on the last adventure, Curious George had just found the key to get outside of the big ship so he can go find the man with the yellow hat. Now he's outside the ship and on top of a bunch of little boats jumping around. Let's go on this great adventure with him and see where it takes us. Wow, he's out on some boats.
Collect the idol and find a way to get back into the ship. Collect the idol and find a way to get back into the ship.
Now he's got to find the checkpoint. Now he's got to go find the man with the yellow hat. Whoa, he found a chain. He's swinging across the chain. And jumping onto the dinghies. Jump. Whoa, Splish Splashy was taking a bath all upon a Saturday night. Yeah. Go, George, go. Look at him go, kids. Can you climb chains like that? You gotta be really strong.
I'll tell him when I get back.
Who's that?
Mr. Bloomsbury, we have a big problem. Well, a little problem. Well, a big little problem. It's no good. Maybe I can go for the laugh. All right. A funny thing happened to me on the way to Zagawa. You're gonna love this.
Oh no! George has got to find the man with the yellow hat. He's got to find a way in to get him. Whoa, he just jumped on that huge anchor. Look at that. Wow. That's cool. Yay, he made it to the other side. Now what does he do?
Use the crouch control and crawl into the vent.
Use crouch control to crawl into the vent? Hey, quit making a mess, George. Oh, man, how do you get in there? Crouch control. Let me try this button here. Squeeze. Yeah, we did it. We're in. Wow, cool. I wonder who put bananas inside the vent. Maybe the person working on it worked for Dole Bananas. Ha! Shout out to Dole. Ha! Oh, look, what's on the other side here, kids?
Go to the forklift and use the key you found to start.
Forklift. A forklift! Yay! And I have a key? Whoa! Whoa! This is awesome! I found an idol! Completed that stage, kids. Great job. Nice. This is monkey heaven. And the ship sails across the ocean blue and lands in... Where does it land? Is that New York? George is in the city. Wow.
Where are you going, Yellow?
Bloomsbury Museum, please. And, I'll give you $10 extra if you'll stop calling me Yellow.
You got it, Sunshine.
Oh, wow. He's still chasing the man with the yellow hat to get his hat back to him. Now George is in the city. Off the boat into the city. This is a great adventure. Wow. I wonder how George is going to adapt to this place. He jumps on a cab. Those yellow cars are called taxis.
City and follow
or cabs.
Cab. If your taxi stops or goes the wrong way, jump to another one. If the sign on top of a nearby cab lights up, jump onto it. Be careful not to fall into the
Oh, he's got to jump onto the taxi or the cab that has the light on. So when that yellow light goes off the car, you got to jump onto another car that has a yellow light. Oh, it's off. Go jump. No. Oh. Got to try it. Try it again. Man, I wonder if those other cars are Uber drivers. Uber, Lyft. No, these taxis used to be all they had. Now they have Uber and Lyft. Dang, George. They're making monkey salad out of you down there. Splat! Careful, George. Jump! Woo! He made it. Jump!
Monkey on the roof.
Woo!
Ah, yeah, I've seen it.
He made it. He's getting the hang of this thing. Whoa! Careful, George.
Hey man, get off my roof.
I'm trying, dude. Nice jump, George.
Who's up there, man?
It's me, Curious George. Whoa! Beep beep at yourself. Whoa! I can't make it. That's too far of a jump. Whoa! Let me try this one. No! 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 Oh! I made it. Woo! Okay. Okay. Yellow light. Turn.
What do you think you're doing?
I don't know what I'm doing. You tell me. Jump. Oh! Monkey soup. Oh, what? Oh, just barely landed that one. This is hard. Tougher than it looks, kids. It's like somebody splattered monkeys all over these cars and I'm slipping off. Whoa! I slipped off again. Like I stepped on a banana peel. Oh! I guess you can't go that way. You gotta jump on the cars that have the yellow lights. Period. Oh my goodness. Splat! How many lives? He's got more lives than a cat. Go, George, go. Nice jump.
What do you think
I
you're
have
doing?
no idea what I'm doing. You tell me, dude. Whoa, I made it. Okay, woo. See, wow.
Hey!
Hey to yourself. These taxi drivers down here are mean. I gotta get out of here. Come on, George. All right, I made it to another part. Feels like I've been running in circles here. Oh, a banana up there. It's tempting to jump up and get that banana off the garbage truck. Hey, I did it! We did it! Yay!
Looks like we're gonna be here for a while.
Fine. I think I've been driven enough for one lifetime anyway. I'll walk from here. What's the damage? Other than my nerves?
1250, sunshine.
Do you have a brother who drives trucks in Africa?
Yeah, I do, as a matter of fact.
Go get him, George! Whoa! Oh no, the crane! A crane? I love cranes! Yay! Oh no, it swooped George away! Now where is he? Oh my gosh! I think George is going into a construction site! Oh my, that's gonna be an awesome video! You guys, kids, come and join us for the next video. It's gonna be George inside of a construction site where we're gonna be learning about, I guess, cranes and maybe other things like jackhammers and forklifts and stuff like that. It's gonna be so much fun. Well, thanks for watching Jonathan's Playhouse.
Construction
Kids,
site and
like and
find
subscribe. Bye. It's a Jonathan song, and he's singing along. He's happy all day, he loves to play Jonathan's way. It's a Jonathan day, it's a Jonathan